Choco. It's an achievement. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Jump forward, jump back. Rock, step, tap, step, tap, step, step, step. That's all it is. Choco. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward and together. Cowboy. Here we go. Do a prep and turn the girl. And shoe flops, it's left and right. Look at her. Shoe flop, it's right then left. Look at her back. Look at the shoe flop. Face the center. Switch the hands from the zero. And the guy rocks in. Should I do it together? Yes. 5, 6. 5, 6, and here we go. Out and in. Cowboy. Here we go. Do a prep and turn the girl. Do my enchufa, it's left and right. Look, do my enchufa, it's right and left. Look at her, do my enchufa. And it's a single out. And guy rocks in and cross line. Next. Asakita starts with Satenta and with Satenta Complicata. Quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. The guy turns in place. 2 in the chupa. Drape over the lady. The guy rocks in. We're all done. Other direction. 5, 6, and here we go. Out and in. Asakita. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3. Starts with Satenta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2 in the chupa. Drape over the lady. Guy walks in, and we're all done. Okay, carnival. 5, 6, and here we go. Carnival. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. This is 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. Fling and catch. Bring her forward. Bring her back and flare. Double turn circumference. Back rock and chufa. Drape over the guy. Guy rocks in, and we're all done. 5, this is my center. 5, 6, and here we go. Carnival is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, this is 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and flank and catch. 1, 2, 3, and bring her back. Go flare, turn to the circumference. That's rock and chupa. Drape over the yacht. Guy rocks in, and we're all done. Woo!